Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to keep your Smartsheet projects neat and organized, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a parent row in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to group related tasks together, making your sheets more intuitive, easier to manage, and just plain nicer to look at. Let's jump right in. So here's the situation. You've got a list of tasks for a project and you want to organize them under clear headers. In my example, I have a variety of entries in my sheet, but I want website project and marketing campaign to serve as parent rows, sort of like main categories, with their specific tasks listed neatly underneath. This setup is especially helpful if you're managing multiple work streams or projects on a single sheet, as parent rows let you easily collapse and expand sections, keeping everything tidy and accessible. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is look at your data and decide which rows should be grouped together. In my case, everything that falls under website project belongs together, and same goes for marketing campaign. Think of a parent row like the big folder on your desk that contains all the related subfolders. It helps you see the larger picture at a glance. Now, to actually make website project a parent row, start by clicking and dragging to select all the task rows that fall underneath it. Not the website project row itself, just the tasks you want to nest under this category. It might feel a little counterintuitive at first, but remember, you're telling Smartsheet, I want these items to live under this main header. With those rows selected, look just above your sheet for the indent button. It looks like a little arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, you'll see your selected task shift over to the right and a small plus sign appears next to Website Project. That plus sign is your cue that you've successfully created a parent row. You can now expand or collapse those child tasks as needed. This can really help when you're juggling multiple deliverables and just want a high-level view. You'll do the same thing for any other groupings you want. For my sheet, I move down to Marketing Campaign, select all its related tasks below, and once again hit the indent button. Just like that, Marketing Campaign also becomes a parent row, and the associated tasks are now neatly organized underneath it. If you're doing this for the first time, don't worry if your indentation doesn't look perfect right away. You can always undo an indent or outdent rows if you make a mistake. Smartsheet is pretty forgiving, so experiment a little until it looks the way you want. And if you have a lot of tasks, collapsing those parent rows can really declutter your view, letting you focus only on the sections you need in that moment. So to recap, those category headers, like website project and marketing, now parent rows, neatly organizing all your tasks for quick navigation and better project management. It's a small trick, but it makes a huge difference as your sheets grow more complex. That's all there is to it. I hope this quick tutorial helps you keep your Smartsheet projects clear and super manageable. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions about using Smartsheet, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.